What's up, Garden Gang? Welcome back to the channel. It's me, PokeGardener, bringing you another episode of the Pokemon Emerald Randomizer Nuzlocke. Now, in between last episode and this episode, I did quite a bit of grinding, and I think I might have overleveled a little bit, because as you can see, I legitimately have a full team of at least level 40. I wanted to shoot for 40, Tranquilly kind of went a little high, but we can still work with it. So let's do a quick team recap since I got some new moves on them during grinding. I got ourselves Psychic Confusion, Calm Mind, and Teleport on Tranquilly, and she's now holding the Twisted Spoon with the Soundproof ability. Got Nikki with Shadow Tag, holding the Charcoal with Wing Attack, Eruption, Ember, and Flamethrower. We got Margin, the Butterfree, with Liquid Ooze. Currently not holding an item, but he knows Side Beam, Strength, Rock Smash, and Gust. Then we got Shadow the Gengar with Clear Body, which works pretty funnily with a Ghost type. Again, not holding any item, but Spite, Shadow Punch, Surf, and Nightshade. So pretty boosted against other Ghost types, but not much going against it with the Poison typing. Then we got Beauty the Beedrill, Suction Cups ability, with Fury Cutter, Pin Missile, Focus Energy, and Twin Needle. He's still got the same moveset. And then we got Resin 64, our Water Absorbed Salamence. And she's got Dragon Breath, Bite, Ember, and Headbutt. Now, as you probably saw in the little montage that'll happen right beforehand, that I went and got a couple of encounters because I went to train in the desert and Mirage Tower was there. So here we've got now with me Cotton the Jumpluff, which we got from Mirage Tower. He's got the Insomnia ability, and with the moveset of Tackle, Poison Powder, Sunspore, and Sleep Powder. And then Cactus 2.0 here is our fossil that we got. Not much going on with Cactus 2.0 here. Cloud9, just like the other one, not that good of a moveset. And then, because I figured out, well, I'm at Rustboro, Dewford ain't that far away, I'm going to go ahead and go back into Granite Cave and see if I can't get one of the statics from Rock Smash. And I end up getting Lightning Rod ability, Karo, the Puppetar, which works out phenomenally because Lightning Rod in this generation does not negate electric type attacks, it just draws it in. But with Karo being a ground type, that will then negate all electric type attacks if it's on the field. I'm thinking I might use them should I have a team member fall, but considering the fact that my team is all level 40s right now, I doubt that's going to happen. But Karo's got a pretty decent moveset, so let's go ahead and move these three so that way they are with the rest of the box mons. And we actually did not lose a single mon in grinding, which I am shocked on because I actually came close a couple of times to losing a mon or two. But I think I might be slightly over leveled as Mazdeep gym leaders, Liza and Tate, their aces are level 41. So I think I'm a little overpowered for the Fortree gym, but we'll see. We get ourselves a good rod here. I believe there's an item here. Yep, a raspberry. I'm not going to bother with those guys. But here we've got a fisherman. And we'll go ahead and beat him down pretty quickly. And since I've got a stacked team, I can basically use anything right now. Which, again, I probably went slightly overboard on my levels. But since nothing is holding the Lucky Egg or EXP share right now, they really shouldn't get much in the way of experience spread out, so I guess we'll see. I figured one Shadow Punch would have killed, but I guess I was wrong. And if I remember correctly, Steven's right up here, but I believe... Nope, I thought there was an item right there. Yep, Steven! Yeah, I don't care what you have to say, Steven. I can't get up there that way, but I could go around this way. Unfortunately, we got an encounter here already. This was the first Chimecho encounter. Oh, an Anorith. That would have been pretty cool. But this was that first Chimecho encounter where I was just like, ah, you know what? I'll just get away from it instead of trying to catch it. So. Alright. Put an item right there. Since I'm over leveled, I'm going to try to avoid some trainers. Rhydon, nice. There's some pretty good mons over here. I guess I should have waited till I got Surf and came over here for an encounter. Aron Berry. Nope, no item there. Okay. And Route 119, here we go. An encounter that quickly, holy. Execute. Executor isn't bad, but I don't think I'd use it. I don't think a confusion would kill. I think I'll catch it just for dupes. Ooh, that got real close. Don't. Okay. I thought it was gonna hit itself. Now we just gotta throw. Yes, as you can see, I bought a ton of Great Balls too. Wanted to make sure I could catch anything that came up in these next couple of episodes, so. Execute. I don't think anyone's claiming this. Let me just... I thought I had this pulled up, but I guess I didn't. Alright. Yep, no one's claimed it, so we'll just call this an egg. An excellent. Well, I guess I could have put a hyphen in there, but excellent. Now I gotta try to remember where how each of these trainers. Ooh, Carvana. That actually, I think that would have been better. Better than an execute. Okay, so that one matches my movements. I really hated this route for one reason and one reason only. And that was this mimic circle right here. Each of these trainers move in a different way based off of how you're moving. And it's so annoying because you can never, unless you study it, you can't figure out which way they all move. And you could always end up getting it slightly wrong. Okay, I think I got all the items. If I remember correctly, there's an item over here too. Yes, there is. A spell tag. That's nasty. That's a nasty. Oh, well, actually, spell tag, if I remember correctly. Is that the one that boosts ghost type attacks? No, I might actually give that one to Gengar. Yeah. No, not use. Give. Here you go, Shadow. Oh, I don't have the acro bike right now. Hehe. Goodbye. Can I make it past this guy? Yep. If I remember correctly, I'm forced to do at least one double battle over here. No, actually I'm not. What I can do... Wiki Berry, cool. Is I can go and cut through here. Which you can't do in Ruby and Sapphire. Come down here. Guess it's a good thing I don't have the acro bike. Now I gotta get off of it so I can sneak past this guy. Ooh, I'm gonna have to set a monocyte so I can pick up the static here. Let's go ahead and put margarine down for now. Oh, just for reference though, I did that. The Butterfree is the Caterpie that I caught in New Marvel as a static, and decided I'd keep that one. And I didn't end up nicknaming it until it got up to a Butterfree. And I do not believe it was claimed. I should probably double check that. I didn't check that beforehand. Nope. Okay. Not claimed. Ooh. Charmeleon. But it wasn't claimed, so looks like I'm fine with getting away with margarine. And if you're confused as to why I'm calling it margarine, it's because it's butter-free. Alright, yeah, I'll take my leave on that one. I'll just leave that one sit there. I know people are gonna groan and complain about that, but you know what? It is what it is. Boosting your sped up when I'm using physical. Smart. And it was just stupid that Ghost type was physical in these games. Ooh. Looks like I gotta battle these guys. Because there's not enough space between the computers and the bookcases. Although, if this was real life, I probably could fit between the desk and the bookcase, but... video game tiles and all. Lunatone. For Lunatone, let's go out to Shadow. Oh, Skitty! Ha! Ha! Should I go Shadow Punch or Surf? I mean, the Surf is a special move, which Gengar is a special attacker, but Shadow Punch has stab. You know what, let's go Shadow Punch. There we go. Garfish! Oh look, it's a Ryan. A wild Ryan has a beard. No wonder what he's going to change his mascot to once he becomes Team Pineapple. Not Teleport. Oh look at that, I can do a Dragon Rage. Rick. May he rest in peace. Stupid, why not? Alright. Wait. Come on, dude. Watch this. Told you. Oh, okay, I didn't actually say it, but I thought that's what was gonna happen. Alright. Shelly, what do you got? Trico, bro! Bro, why you gotta do this to me? Goodbye, Trico. And a Spearow. Let's do this, Resin. Let's go ahead and go with Dragon Breath. Goodbye. Wow, that has to be the easiest battle that I've done there, ever. Yep, they're off to Mount Pyre. Okay, got my cast, quote-unquote cast form. That's a Paris. I don't think I'll use a Paris. And it is not claimed. So we'll go ahead and call this Shroomy. No, I'll call it Shrooms. Alright, let's take a look at Shrooms real quick, see what he's got. Holding the Mystic Water. Because that's something that doesn't change. Ooh, Chlorophyll. That's not bad for a grass type. It'd be better for... Oh, it actually makes sense with the grass type, although I don't think that that's Paris' actual ability. But I'm gonna grab Margin, and I'll keep Margin on the team. You know what, I should check out Excellent also. Water Veil. Ooh. That's nice. Kinda, sorta. Now before I go get Fly... Hey, there's money. More money! More money! Ooh, an Ultra Ball. That's nice. That'll be helpful. Then we'll go ahead and come down here. You gotta be kidding me. I could have had a Slacking. A no true on Slacking. Like, oh, there it is. Blue scarf. Yeah, which would have been grass, which is a grass tile, which they don't typically do that. Do, 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 do. Oh no, you traced my soundproof on a mon that couldn't affect you anyway. So there's a leaf, there's what would have been a leaf stone down here, and slacking must have been the common, must be the common encounter. Because there's no way I would have encountered 2 in a row like this if it wasn't. There it is. A lucky punch. That's good for Chansey, but I don't have Chansey. If I remember correctly, there is no hidden items. Yep. Alright, you know what? Let's go ahead and do... Where is it? Where are they? Where are they? Right there. I'm not typically one for repels, but when trying to do a series, it kind of helps out quite a bit. Alright, May. Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready to kick your Baduski. Goldine. Easy. Psychic. It's almost like I saw that coming. Mole trace. Yikes. You know, it's raining. Shadow's got surf. I just hope it doesn't have water absorb. Yes! Goodbye, Moltres. That's some experience. And then it's some Flora, her starter. I'm gonna bring out someone she might remember. Twin Needle. Goodbye, Sunflora. I might be struggling with my training? You're funny. Hey, I got Fly. Now I wonder who can learn it. Oh, Scott. If you were just headed down, why would you go back up? That doesn't make any sense. Yes, resin. Get rid of headbutt. I like the burn chance over the flinch chances any day. Oh, Ninja Kid. Wait, if I remember correctly. I think there's either an item or a Kecleon over there. And here we are, Fortress City. I don't know why, but it seems like these episodes are, even though I'm still doing only half an hour per episode, it still feels like these episodes are getting shorter and shorter. Alright. Get past you. And we got our encounter. What do we got here? Ooh, a Hitmonchan. I can't hit this with Tranquility, otherwise it dies. Margaret? Let's go with Rock Smash. And we'll drop the... At least that was a crit on the first attack, so I should be fine to do it again. Let's try one more. Oh, that sucks. I thought it would survive one more. I guess I was wrong. I remember one of these has an item. Right there. Moo Moo Milk. Alright. So let's go ahead and get this Kecleon here. It's not been a while, Steven. We literally just saw each other less than 20 minutes ago. So I think we're going to do the same thing with these Kecleons that I did with the... Oh, obviously I can't get him because that's a dupes. But I was going to say I'm going to do the same thing with the Kecleons that I did in New Marvel, where I caught as many as I could that wouldn't be considered dupes. And then, from there, pick one. And what I'll do is I'll probably name the ones I catch Kecleon, just to make it easier. I could have gotten a Dunsparce? That's pretty neat. Alright, here we go. Kecleon number 2. Apom. I don't think a Confusion would kill. Yeah, it shows what I know. If I end up not catching any of them, well then I just fail all these statics and I won't take a token at all, so. Another Apom? That is weird. Oh, Arena Trap. Well, I can't hit this guy. So I guess I'll just go for the Great Balls. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. That easy? Was that easy? Yes, nickname it. Keck. I'll just call him Keck1 for now. Cleanse Stay. Prevents wild Pokemon from encountering. And then we got another encounter down here. Some people forget about this one. The Scorch Slab. At least I think I can get an encounter down here. Come on. Well, let's check that TM. It was TM 11. Metronome. Come on. I could have sworn that there's encounters in here. Is it just like a really low encounter rate? Because I know I've taken more than 100 steps. Come on. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna end the episode right here. And then I will see. I'll check real quickly offline. Well, out of recording as to whether or not I can get. As to whether or not I can get an encounter here. And if I can't, well then I'll just move on to the 4-tree gym, and I will see you guys in the next episode. If you enjoyed this episode, please make sure to leave a like, comment, and if you haven't already, subscribed and hit that bell for notifications. And I will see y'all in the next episode. Take care.